Welcome to the session. In the last session, we have seen about the implicit weight, right? So, implicit means it is where we can declare it as a global, and it will be applicable for all the web elements, okay, which we are using in our script. Okay, yesterday we have seen that one, implicit weight. Okay, that means we are giving a wait time for 5 seconds. Suppose say that this 5 seconds of wait time will be applied for all the web elements which we are using in that particular script. Okay, suppose say that if the element got identified within the 5 seconds of time, suppose say that it got identified by it got identified within 2 seconds or 3 seconds. So what it will happen is it won't wait for 5 seconds. Okay, whenever the element got identified, what will happen is the script will get continued. Okay, so okay, today what we are going to do is we'll see about explicit wait. Okay, explicit wait means for particular element, if you feel that that particular element is getting, it will take time to load. So during that situation, what we'll do is we'll use an explicit wait. So today I'm going to explain you about explicit wait. So along with the explicit wait, what I'm going to do is I'm covering the topic called you know uh, date picker. Okay, date picker. It means, see, suppose what is the date today? July 2024, 12th, right? So in case if I want to give a future date, how to select the date? Okay, month, year, and specific date. How we are know how how we are going to perform operations on calendar, we'll see today. Okay, calendar in the sense it is a date picker. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a new class. I can name it as date picker demo. Okay, date picker demo. So what I'm going to do is I'm launching a browser, driver dot setup web driver equals to new Chrome driver. I'm maximizing the window, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Okay, now I'm just passing the URL, the string URL. So we'll see, we'll take the URL as so we are going to perform operations on this date picker. Okay, now see here, this is the date picker. If you just click on this, it will give you a calendar over here. Okay, now you need to perform operations on this, and on which date you need to click on. Suppose I just wanted to give a future date. Okay, future date. um, it means like December 2024. So here, this month is not available here, right? Then what we need to do is we need to click on this one. Okay, depends on the date what you have provided, it will click on that. And if that date is matching in this month, it will display here. Okay, it will display like this. Okay, in case if it is not 2024, 2025, in some year or month, some month and date you have given in the year 2025, so that is also possible. Okay, I'm going to show you how to perform operation on this. Okay, now first what we need to do is, I'm just refreshing this. We need to first of all identify the element. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just right click on that and I click on this one. So I have an ID available over here. Okay, so I'm taking the ID. Now how to write the XPath? When we have identified by ID, right? So directly you can give as driver dot find element. So by what we have identified, ID, right? Just click on, double click on that and paste it over here. Now what is the operation I need to perform? Whenever you click on that, then only you are able to enter the text. I mean, once you click on this, then only this calendar will get appeared. Okay, so we need to perform a click operation over there. Okay, just here, I need to explain you one more thing. Let me run it first. I'll show you what it is. See, I'm getting an error message over here. I'm getting an exception. What is that? No such element exception. That means, see here, unable to locate the element method CSS selector, and it is showing that it is stating that this date picker it is identified. Okay, you know why? The reason behind that is, if you look at this, have you seen a border over here? A black border. Okay, it means that it is inside the frame. Actually this is a complete, this thing is a web page. Okay, in this web page this calendar is available inside the frame. This is called a frame. So how can we identify that it is a frame or a normal kind of thing? Okay, for that what we need to do is, see, if you go a little bit little up, see, have you seen this iframe? So if you click on this, it is getting selected. See, I'll place it one more time. See, if I place my mouse over iframe, so it is showing, it is getting highlighted. Okay, it is getting selected. Only specific portion is getting selected. That means the element what you are identifying, it is not available on the web page, but also it is available in the iframe. Not only on the web page, in the on the web page we have an frame. Inside the frame my date picker is available. So how to perform now? Now what to do? We need to switch our focus to the frame. Okay, we need to switch our focus to frame. Now how to switch our focus? We'll see now. Driver dot switch to switch to frame. Okay, frame index. So if you see here, we have only one iframe over here. Okay, only one iframe. So it will consider. I mean, it will take in the form of an index. Okay, only one frame is available. So index will starts from 0. Suppose say that if I have one more, in case if I have one more frame, okay, and uh, if I want to perform operations on that one, so during that time what I need to do is I just wanted to give a frame 1. Okay, as of now we have only one frame is available, so we are giving that as an index. Okay, we're giving that as index now. And one more thing, see, after clicking on that, it is man, you should not switch before performing the operation. Click operation, then before clicking only we have to shift, switch the page, I mean shift the driver to frame. Now see, I'm just clicking on run as Java program. Now see, it will click on that. Okay, now it is performing a click operation. If you cancel this one, see, you are not getting any exception now. That means whenever, if you are performing any operation, in case if it is showing that element is not available or it is not clickable, so during that time you need to search whether that is on the web page or if it is in some frame or iframes, frames or iframes. Okay, so this is how we need to shift our focus, and then we need to click up of perform click operation. Now what we need to do, suppose I'm just giving year, year equals to, okay, 2024, here 2024, here it will take in the form of a string only, string here, and month equals to, suppose say that December. Okay, this will also return a string, and we have day, right, date, date equals to, suppose say that 25th. So obviously this also will return a string only. So this is the data I am providing. Based upon this, it has to give the value, I mean that date, month and year, that should be displayed in this, date space. Okay, beside the date, whatever the date, year, month and the date I'm giving, that should be displayed over here by clicking on this, calendar. Okay, now see how to perform each and every operation. Now, as I told you that explicit wait. Okay, now I am going to provide that explicit wait now. How to give an explicit wait. Implicit wait already we have seen yesterday. Now explicit wait. Implicit wait means as that is declaring as a global, it will be applicable for all the web elements which we are using in our script. But explicit wait is not like that. It is specifically if you feel that, I mean, so and so element will take some more time to get loaded. During that time, what you need to give, what you need to do is you need to give explicit wait for that particular web element. Suppose I just wanted to give apply explicit wait, okay, for this date. How to do that? Okay, we'll see now. New control space, new WebDriver wait. 1 second. New WebDriver wait driver. Just a minute. New WebDriver wait. Okay, driver. And here what you need to do is you need to give the uh, time span. Okay, duration dot of seconds. Okay, I'm just giving 5 seconds. So in explicit wait, we have one more advantage is that you can apply a condition for that. Okay, it will work on two things: either the time what you have given, or else the condition. That condition means I'll show you how we need to give the condition. Until until expected until expected condition. Okay, until expected conditions dot visibility of all element located. Okay, visibility of all elements located by dot. How we have identified the calendar? By using id only, right? Okay, id, and just give a double quotes over here, and whatever the date picker you have identified, just copy that and paste it over here. Okay, see, it means that, of course, my it is not giving me any kind of trouble as of now. That means as and when the page got loaded, as and when the page got loaded, the date, it is visible to me, so that I can perform operation immediately. In case, if in worst situation I'm saying that you have prepared a code, you have written a code and you are performing operation on that. So the moment when you are trying to click on this date, suppose say that the element is not identified, so during that time it will throw an exception stating that no such element exception. Okay, so to avoid that, what I'm doing is explicitly I am giving a wait time for this particular web element. That means I'm asking I'm asking driver to wait for 5 seconds. This is one condition, and on top of that, this is one more condition I'm giving. Okay, this is here I'm giving a duration, and along with that, what I'm going to do is putting a condition on that until that element got located. Okay, until that element got located. Which element? Whatever the, I mean, locator, with the help of locator, what we are identifying, that element. So it will wait, and it will at the same time it will use this condition also. In case if that time got lapsed, then it will give you an exception, then it will throw an exception. Till that time it will try to identify the location, I mean, identify the element with the help of this locator. Okay, this is how we have used explicit wait. So yesterday we have seen that implicit wait, right? This is about explicit wait. Explicit wait is only for particular element. Okay, if you feel that it is taking more time, during that time you can apply this explicit wait with both these. One is duration and the other one is the condition. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm writing a while loop over here. I'm taking a while loop. So while condition, while condition, that means if it is true, I'm just taking only true condition. Okay, while true, perform this operation. While condition true. See, now what we need to do is, see, if you observe here, if you observe here, I have July and 1 second. Let me, yeah. See here, if you observe this, it is July and 2024. That means here it is getting separated. Why I'm getting this? This portion is different and this portion is different. Why? Because see here the left side it is a month, right? So the year will remain constant for the loop. I mean, for all the months it has to be covered, right? Some from January to December. Okay, Jan, February, March, April, May, June till December, right? So this has to be repeated, and the year it has to remain same. Okay, that is the reason it got split into two parts. I normally if you want you can take directly the entire text, but we should not take it like that, because the if I want December 2024, is it possible that if I take entire text as a single element? Not possible, right? So that is the reason it got split into two parts, right? One is as a month and an year. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just capturing the XPath for this. See, I'm copying this one and I'm writing an XPath for this. See, Control F, Control F. Now I'm just pasting it over here. Now I'm writing an XPath. See, double slash. How to write an XPath? Tag name attribute equals to value, right? Now, what is the tag name over here? Span. Okay, span, span. At the rate, what is the attribute? Attribute is nothing but a class. Class equals to what is the value? UI underscore date picker, UI hyphen date picker hyphen month. Right now, close it with a single quotes and square brackets. Now, if you see that, it is showing one of one. See, if it show one of one, then only your XPath is, you have written the XPath correctly. Okay, sometimes it will give you more than one element also. It doesn't mean that XPath is wrong. Okay, based upon the index you need to select that particular element. Okay, now copy this one. See, driver dot find element by dot, I have used XPath, right? XPath, and I'm pasting my XPath over here. And what I need to do, I need to get the text of that month, right? Because why I need to get the text? Because I need to compare with my string what I have mentioned over here. So that text and the month what I have given, those, I mean, that and this should be matched, then only it will give me a what are the selected date in the calendar. Okay, what I have I mean, what I have given over here. So that purpose, what I'm going to do is, I'm getting the text of that month. Okay, I'm capturing the text. Which text? That month text I'm capturing. After capturing that, what I'm doing, I'm placing it in a variable called month, mon. Okay, obviously this will return a string value. Why? Because the months Jan, Feb, these are all group of characters, right? A group of characters will, obviously it will return a string type. Okay, now I have captured the month over here. Now what I have to do, I need to apply the same thing for my year as well. Okay, just copy this one, and in place of month, just paste it over. So it is giving one of one. So I have captured the XPath for my year as well. Copy that, and driver dot find element by dot XPath. Okay, by dot XPath. I'm pasting that over here. And here also I need to get the text, right? Get the text. So this is the reason why I have kept in a double quotes year and the date also. Why? Because it will take in the form of a string. Now you got it. Why I have kept that as a string. Year, just simply say that by R year. Okay, it will return a string value for me. Now what I did, I have taken month as separate and year as separate. Now I'm going to give a condition. Okay, if now I'm checking with the values, with these values. Now see here, if this month, okay, if this month got equals to the month what I have provided over here, and this yr dot equals to the year what I have provided here. If both are match, then only it has to work. Okay, then what I have to do, I just give a break statement. Why? Because if this month and this month are getting matched, I no need to go further, right? Okay, if my condition got satisfied, that date has to be displayed over here and it has to come out of the loop. In case, in case if not, okay, if it is not, then what we need to do? Now you need to click on this one, because see, I have given December 25th, right? Year is 2024, but December 25, right? But my present my calendar is located on focusing on July. Okay, July. So this is not matching with my month. Now what we need to do? We need to click on this one. Okay, you need to perform click operation on this. Why? Because it has to take me to the December month, right? Now see here. Here I have a same kind of expert I'm having here. See, I'm just capturing this one. Instead of this year, place this one. Okay, now it is highlighting. If you see, if I click on enter over here, it is highlighting this one. Okay, that too I'm getting one of one. Okay, this I'm capturing. Now if my month and year got matched, it will terminate the program. It will come out of the loop. If not, if my month is not matching with this, what I have to do? I need to click on the right arrow button. Okay, that driver dot find element. So by dot I have identified with the X path, right? Okay, just place it over here. And this time what I need to do? I need to perform a click operation on it. Okay, I need to perform a click operation. Now, now one more important thing what we need to do is, wait, okay, after the loop, what we need to do is, see here you need to pay more concentration. Uh, just a minute. Yeah. If I'm clicking on next, do you see that some in some months I'm getting a white space over here, and in few months I'm getting white space over here. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to capture from here to here. Entire thing I need to capture. Why? Because if I'm not capturing here, if my calendar got changed, suppose say that in the next coming month I'm getting some first or second in the place of month in this blank space. So during that time I might get face a issue. So to avoid that, what I need to do is, you need to identify along with the all the 31. Okay, you need to identify these two spaces at the same time, these two spaces also. Okay, so totally we should get 35. Okay, why? Because in some few months we have 30, 31. Okay, along with that, what I'm going to say is, you need to identify the blank spaces as well. Now we'll see how to do that. Okay, now we'll see how to do that. So let me identify my calendar. Okay, typical. See, see here. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. See, if you see this one, this is a table, right? In this table, actually, it is like this. In this calendar, see, if you click on this three dots, what will happen? It got expanded. Okay, trtd. Yesterday we have seen web tables. Trtd. Tr means table row, td means table data. Okay, th means it's a table header. Okay, in this we have title. Okay, trtd, and everything is there. So what we need to do is, first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just identifying this calendar. Okay, now, so this is what we have seen, and little bit come down. Okay, this is the table. Yeah, now let me write an XPath for this. Let me identify one more time where it is. Yes, this one. Okay, copy this one and paste it over here. Now write an XPath for this. How to write an XPath? Double slash tag name table. Okay, at the rate attribute class equals to, we need to place it in a single quotes. Okay, now I have captured the table. Now in this table I have rows and columns, right? I have rows and columns. See, table rows, how many rows are there? 6 rows. Okay, I have a 6 rows. At the same time, if I want to capture the data, I want to see how many, I mean, what are the data available inside. td. Okay, see, if you observe here, it is capturing the blank space as well. Okay, see, it is capturing the blank space as well. Why? Because in the next coming, I mean, in the next month, the data might be available in that blank space. So that is the reason it is capture, I mean, it is capturing the blank spaces as well. Now copy this XPath and come to your Eclipse. Now see here, driver dot. Now tell me that which locator I need to use. Is it a find element or find elements? Obviously find elements. Why? Because it is more than one element, right? Driver dot, this one. I'm placing an export over here. Now I'm placing in a variable called table data, or else you can you can give as all hyphen all dates. Okay, I have captured all the dates and placing it in a variable called all underscore dates. Now this will return what? List of web elements only, right? Because each and everything is a web element. So it will return a list of web elements. Now what we need to do is I'm just giving a for each loop over here, enhanced for loop. That means see, enhanced for loop means, as I told you, that this is the variable which consists of all the dates. Okay, in all underscore dates I have captured all the dates over here from the here 1 to 35. Okay, all the dates have been captured over here. From this, what I'm doing, it will capture one by one. Okay, one by one. I just name it as dates. Okay, from this it will capture one by one, and each date is a web element. Okay, each date is a web element. Now see here, what I'm going to do is as here I have compared month and year, right? Now I would like to compare my date. I'm comparing the date. See here how to do that. If if this dates, okay, if this dates dot get text, okay, I'm fetching the text of the date. Okay, dot equals to this date. Okay, equals to this date, equals to this date what I have provided over there. Okay, then what will happen, it will click on the dates, it will click on that dot click. Okay, see, let me run this program once. Okay, have you seen this? 12th December 2024, that is the date which I have provided over here. In case if I mentioned as 25th, okay, the date says 16th, the month I'm giving as February. Somewhere something went wrong. Wait a minute. Intractable. Intractable. What I given? Can give a break over here. You can give a break statement. Okay, dates dot click, and if you can see this, let me check the expert. Everything is fine. Okay, where it went wrong. Sorry, I have given FEB or your February, right? Yeah, fine. Okay, this is how we can perform operations on a date picker. Actually, I have given February. The spelling mistake is I have given spelling mistake. That's the reason it has shown me error. Okay, I just explain it quickly. See, this is what the operations we are performing on this date picker. So this date picker is available inside a frame. See, it will show you. Okay, this is a frame. Inside the frame, the date picker has been available. I have web page. In that web page, I have a frame. So first, if you want to perform on this, first we need to switch our focus to the frame. As we have only one frame, so index obviously it will take from zero, right? So it has taken zero as an index. Now I am providing this data. Okay, I want my year to be 25, month to be this, and date is this. So first what I did, I have captured the date. I mean entire date picker. The calendar I have, this one I got captured, and once if you click on this, then only this will get appeared, right? So that is the reason I mentioned a click operation over here, and this is a explicit wait I have given. Explicit wait means what? If I mean it will have a two conditions, right? I mean one is a condition and the other one is a duration of seconds and also the condition. So this is applicable only for a particular element, means not only for the calendar. Any element, any web element, if you feel that it will take more time, so you can apply a explicit wait for that. Now I'm here, I'm taking a condition over here. While true, while this condition true only, it has to get perform the operation. So first what I did here, I have two things. One is month and the other one is a year. So first what I have done, I have captured the month, and I'm fetching the text of that. I'm getting that text and placing it in a variable called month. Likewise, I have captured the year as well. I have placed it in a variable. So now you got it. Why I'm taking year as a string and date as a string? Because get text. Text means what? Obviously, it will take in the form of a string type, right? So now I'm giving a condition. If if this month, okay, if this month is matching with the month of February what I have given, and at the same time year also, this year, whatever the year getting here is matching with 2025, I'm saying that break it. That means my condition got satisfied. I mean I'm giving a break statement. If not, if not, that means, if not means the month and year is not matching with these two, then we know what we need to do. We need to perform a click operation on this one. See, if you click on this only, the next month and next year will, you can able to see, right? So that is the reason I am performing operation click on this one, this element. So see, a driver dot find element, I have captured that XPath and I performed a click operation on that. Now what I'm doing is, okay, once if I have reached the a specific this month. Now I need to capture the particular date, right? So in this, I'm having the list of web elements. Each one, two, three, these are all web elements. Each and every date is a web element. So what I did, drive.find elements, I have captured all the rows and columns, and I have placed it in a variable called all data. And now this variable is consisting of all the dates. Okay, obviously find elements means it will return a list of web element. Now I am using a enhanced for loop, or else we can call it as a for each loop. What I did, I'm placing this variable which is consisting of all the dates. From this, one by one after other date, it will, you know, um, first it will take one date, next it will take another date. One by one, it will fetch from this all dates. So obviously, each and every thing is a web element, right? One, two, three, these are all web elements only. That is the reason I have given a return type as a web element. Now I'm giving a condition. If dates, now I captured all the dates, right? Now dates dot get of text. That means whenever, by the time when it is fetching one by one, one by one, one by one, when it reaches that it is 16, now that 16 is compared with the date which I have given over here. If both are matched, I'm asking that particular date to get clicked. 16th, right? Yeah, 16th. Now 2nd February 2025. From there, I'm giving a break statement. Now we'll perform one more time. We'll run the program one more time. See, okay. After reaching 2025 February, then it perform a click operation on this 16th. Okay, this is how we can perform, date picker. At the same time, we have given a how to use explicit wait as well. Well, is anyone having any doubts? If you don't have any doubts, we'll wind up this session. Okay. Okay then. That's all for the day.